Welcome to the final course of the Digital Manufacturing and Design Technology Specialization titled Roadmap to Success in Digital Manufacturing and Design. As we have heard throughout this specialization and through other channels, technology is evolving faster than ever before, and it's having a huge impact on manufacturing. We're seeing it in our everyday communication, purchases, and entertainment. Customers are demanding innovative products with enhanced features. Management is searching for ways to continue to garner a competitive edge. Evolving technologies are erupting across the globe. As we have learned, this new paradigm is known as Digital Manufacturing and Design, or DMD. Careers and manufacturing processes are impacted by digital manufacturing and design. This is the era of the next industrial revolution, Industry 4.0. In this era, we will develop products virtually, bypassing time-consuming tasks associated with traditional manufacturing. Examples include virtual experiments can be conducted rather than using physical models for experiments that may result in scrap. Data can be shared digitally, resulting in real-time collaboration. The most current versions of designs are exchanged, reducing waste and enabling more informed decisions. The mantra that describes this 4.0 manufacturing era is having the right information in the right place at the right time, making companies and workers more competitive, agile, and productive. Welcome to the Roadmap to Success in Digital Manufacturing and Design. My name is Amy Moore, and I'm a project manager for the State University of New York at Buffalo, and will be your guide to help you maximize your potential within advanced manufacturing and integrated enterprises. You might be a young adult anxious to learn about DMD, or a business owner currently using traditional manufacturing methods. You may want to learn about digital techniques so that you can further explore the value of transitioning to digital manufacturing. Or finally, you may be an operator in a traditional manufacturing plant. Your interest might be to learn about digital approaches to prepare you to an additional career opportunity in your organization or community when Industry 4.0 fully surrounds us. Whichever profile best describes you, or whatever your objectives, it's important to consider the steps, your roadmap steps, to attain the future you want. This course will help you create a path relevant to who you are, and you will develop a plan, your roadmap, to follow and position yourself for the future. We have created a series of lessons and activities that will guide you through small, manageable steps to create a self-established goal and gather artifacts and endorsements to further your professional path. Assignments are featured throughout the course and are marked with this icon. If you complete each of the steps, you will be well prepared to submit the final project in the final week of the course and be reasonably sure that your 4.0 roadmap project is customized to serve your personal goals.